Welcome! In front of me I have Xplora X5 Play, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the side button, keep holding it until the watch restarts. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. You may see the SOS message on the screen. Once you see it, you can tap on the stop button to stop the SOS call, and then keep holding the button. And once you see the X logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the rebooting process is complete. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.